do trees access the internet? They log in.
Hey guys, Alvin here from Smart Home Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about voice assistants. So I believe most of us have been introduced to voice assistants in 2011 when Apple first launched Siri on its iPhone 4S. So back then we could already make phone calls to a certain someone using voice assistants or even check on the weather itself. But back then there were many limitations as to what voice assistants could or could not do. And let's be honest, we were probably asking Siri funny and weird questions for entertaining purposes rather than being a handy voice assistant. Why am I single?
The best person for you right now is you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
So with constant system updates and technology advancements, the voice assistants we have today are much more useful with features such as personalized replies, a faster response time, and they even tell you funnier jokes now.
Why does Humpty Dumpty love autumn? Because he had a great fall.
Now with some configurations done, voice assistants can be connected to your air purifier, lamps and lighting appliances, and even your smart switches as well. So you can start controlling your devices through a voice assistant. Sounds like a virtual butler to me. Now there are many brands and models of voice assistants out there. The three main ones are actually Nest Mini by Google, Alexa Echo Dot by Amazon, and Apple's HomePod. Now these are actually just different brands and models from different companies, which actually provides you a different interface and experience itself. It all starts with a signal word, same as to how we're actually calling out our friends by their names to actually know that we're actually talking to them. So for Google Voice Assistants, the signal word will be, and with this signal word, it actually wakes up the voice assistant and signals it to be paying attention to your next command. Here's an example. Turn on cooler.
Sure, turning the cooler on.
Nice.
In summary, I feel that voice assistants are constantly upgrading, and having one in your home definitely adds a level of convenience in your daily life. Using voice assistants to control your home appliances is definitely a game changer for our friends who are movement restricted or not so convenient to move around the house. They can now complete their everyday tasks by using a voice assistant, much more easy and seamless. So I hope you learned a thing or two about this video or at least found it entertaining. Once again, Alvin here from Smart Home Solutions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.